1967 Mercury Cougar. 67 on the license plate. See if we can get behind it. Far enough away to get the rear. Well, do a pan. There it is. The Cougar. There it is.
Does that Rodriguez fall in the case? Just checking. Sorry. With my hat, you can't do it, man. Look at me. Too strong. Yeah.
Here's this. Whole row. 34 here on the end. The coupe. That one's listed as a 32. And this one here is listed as a 23. So, the 1984 Monte Carlo SS with the T-tops. Told it's a dealer option. I have not seen those before. So there's the driver's side. These are great. Kind of windy. I don't know if we got audio. 1984. There's that. It looks like it's going to be a little hot.
That's what I always thought. Yep.
There's the interior. 1984. We'll look at this one. Monte Carlo SS. There it is. This is an 88. It's a 1988. There it is. Just a row of Corvettes over here. Some of these I recognize. I know some of these. The one with the Air Force thing, he was at the Autorama. There's that. Boxworks on the window. Oh, look at that. There's that. And to finish off the row, we have a Cobra. Always great to see those. Very nice. Wow, that's...
Yeah.
Oh, man. Look at this one.
Okay. It's a 65. I don't think I've really seen this package before. The silver. I love the tail lights. Or the, excuse me, the tail pipes. Of the tail pipes. Inside of the 65, the silver 65 Mustang. There it is. Alright. At first glance, I assumed this was a Chevelle when I came up behind it. This is 72 Pontiac. The Ventura. Ventura 2 is what it says. Ventura 2, there it is. I gotta get all over this thing. There's the Pontiac grill right there to let you know. This is amazing. It's pretty bright, but I think we're all right. 400-4 under the hood on the 1972 Pontiac Ventura 2. This is tripping me out. This is great. Look at those seats. wheels. Krieger wheels. Krieger wheels. Ventura 2. I don't know if I got it, but flashing. 69 Oldsmobile Hearst. This may be the same one. Please do not touch 69. The Hearst. Get it, we're going to be over here. 69 Oldsmobile Hearst. It's unbelievable. I don't think I've seen. I haven't seen Venturas before. And here, there's 3 of them. Under the hood on the blue Ventura. There it is. Inside the blue Ventura. I actually have a year on it, I don't know. But it's a race car at this point, it's a new car now. It's a brand new car now. Race car. So you can build a race car out of a Ventura, how cool is that?
So, right.
It's a Ventura.
Right. So, I gotta redo that, but I've been...
I'm gonna get this grill. It's a Ventura.
Yeah, I'll see you next year, and I'll go, yeah, it's still in the garage.
Okay. I understand. I have another car that I've had 35 plus years. I understand.
Indicators of age and miles.
When I
and
pulled the dash apart,
yeah,
all the little stickers that are on the console and all the gauges were still on there.
Just trying to leave the 442. $1962, thank you. 1962. $1962. The 442. 442. This looks good. Interior on the 442. There it is. We'll grab this real quick, and then it's a 1970. The Cougar, the 1970 Cougar. Is this the same one? Look at that red. 1970 Cougar. This is the V12. 74. The 1974 E-Type with the V12. Center dual exhaust. There's that.